Find the median, mean, mode, and range for the data in the frequency table. So we see the frequency table here. The scores are the actual data values. The frequencies just tell us how many of each we have. So there were 13 scores of 0 and 16 scores of 1. You could write all of the data out by starting to write 0, 0, 0, 0, and so on 16 times, but we can work out the information we want from the table. What we do need first is the sum of the frequencies, so we know how many pieces of data we have. So 13 add 16 add 10 add 7 add 3 add 1 means that we have 50 pieces of data here. To work out the mean, what we need to do first is work out the sum of the data. We have 13 scores of 0. We could do 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 and so on, but a quicker way of doing it is to multiply them. 0 times 13 gives us 0. 1 times 16 gives us 16. That's the score that we get when we add up 16 ones. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 3 is 12, and 5 times 1 is 5. If I now add those values, so 0 plus 16 plus 20 plus 21 plus 12 plus 5, that is the sum of the data. The number of pieces of data we worked out to be 50, and so the mean is just going to be 74 divided by 50, which gives us 1.48. The median is the middle value of an ordered list. Our data in the table is an ordered list. Now we have 50 pieces of data. So if we use n plus 1 divided by 2, 50 plus 1 divided by 2, 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. That means we want to find the 25th and 26th pieces of data. The first 13 pieces of data are zeros. So up to the end of here, we have 13 pieces of data. The next 16 pieces of data are ones. 13 add 16 is 29. So when we get to the end of the ones, we've had 29 pieces of data. That means the 25th and 26th piece of data are both ones, and therefore the median is 1. The mode is the most commonly occurring piece of data, so we look for the highest frequency. That's 16, and therefore the mode is 1. Remember, the scores are the data values. The frequencies just tell us how many of each we have. Finally, the range is the largest piece of data, and that's a 5. Take away the smallest piece of data, which is a 0. So the range here is 5.